longer under that ABC 7 first alert, but we certainly had it going throughout the morning hours this morning. This was a view from the west side of town where the wind was blowing. We had wind chills. The snow was coming down. Temperatures right around 34 degrees. A very wet snow. I mean, if we had that accumulate a good amount, very good packing snowfall out there. But that's what we experienced there on the west side of town. And then 2 hours later, Jennifer Wright tells me, this was the view. I mean, we cleared out, the snow melted, and we're breaking out with sunshine across town. Here's some of the snowfall reports that we did get. Ruidoso at 3 inches, Cloudcroft 5. Now, it depends on some of these locations. I've had some other reports. You get into the outside of downtown Ruidoso, a little bit more snowfall. Some reports of 6 inches. Las Cruces, some reports had just a dusting, not much at all. Other reports about a ½ inch. Anthony, New Mexico, ½ inch of snowfall. Out at the El Paso airport, officially, ½ inch of snow. Northeast El Paso, Brian there reported. He lives right up next to the mountain, 3 inches. Upper Valley, some rain, some flurries. The west side, little dusting. Some folks just saw some rain mixed in with some snowfall. And if you take a look at the March snowfall reports, we've been talking about this over the past couple of weeks. It has now snowed, with today included, 17 times in March since 1879. Of course, the biggest storms, March 5th, 1984, and March 11th through the 12th, 1958, where we picked up a little more than 7 inches. The last time we had measurable snow outside of today, go back to 1987, where we had a little more than a ½ inch of snowfall. Now, speaking of March, April, we've had some big snowstorms. Only 4 times where we had some measurable snow. Now, look at the snowfall out here on the west side of town. Again, officially out at the airport, 0.5, ½ inch. So total right now, 3½ inches. Last year we had 3.2 recorded. So that's 2 years in a row now where we picked up some accumulating snowfall. Here's your weekend, 60 on your Saturday, 71 expected on Sunday. Now, the winds will pick up late Sunday into Monday. We're looking at those gusts at about 30 miles an hour. You folks in Las Cruces, 59 tomorrow. You'll make it up to 68 degrees expected on your Sunday. Here's the winds we're talking about. Not an issue tomorrow at 15. Then once we head into Sunday and Monday, gusts low and windy at 30, then down to 15 on Tuesday. Wednesday at 35, and then Thursday, we're going to see those peak wind gusts hitting about 30 miles an hour. Here's the overnight lows by tomorrow morning. We'll be very cold. Look at these temps. Clint at 24, Fabens at 23, Fort Bliss at 29. Your high temps tomorrow will climb upper 50s and lower 60s, mostly sunny skies, of course. Doña Ana County, Santa Teresa at 24, La Union at 23, Vado at 22, and you folks in Chaparral at 25 degrees. Your high temps tomorrow, Hatch, will generally be right around 60, Vado at 61, and Santa Teresa at 61 degrees for your high temps. All right, so here's the overnight low, 28. Sunset time now will occur at 11 minutes after 6 o'clock. Here's the high temperature for tomorrow, 60 degrees. Lots of sunshine. The winds out of the southeast at 5 to 15. Las Cruces for you. Overnight lows at 25. Your high temp tomorrow will make it up to 59 degrees. Now realize sunrise time will occur at 6:21. Of course, we do the time change as we make our way into the weekend. Spring forward. Move that clock ahead 1 hour, so don't forget about that before you go to bed Saturday night. 33 by Sunday morning. 71 should be a nice day on Sunday, but the winds will start to pick up later in the day. 72 anticipated for your Monday. Now look at next week. 71 on Tuesday, then we hit 80 on Wednesday. Winds will pick up later Wednesday into Thursday. We'll be looking at 30, 35 mile an hour gusts. 73 as a cold front comes through here, and then 68 anticipated for your Friday.